We're out here at a beautiful home off Fair Oaks Boulevard, and the homeowner is going to talk a little bit about her decision to get a Goodwin-Cole installation.
So we were real hesitant. We didn't want to obstruct our view of the yard, but we needed some shade. So this seemed like a perfect solution, and it's looking good. We're really excited from what we can see now.
Thank you, Connie.
Yeah.
I'm here with a homeowner in Little Pocket. Beautiful house. She purchased it 5 years ago, has done all sorts of renovations. How is this going to change the backyard?
Well, actually it's doing two things. It's really cutting the amount of sun that comes into my living room. So that's been a big benefit already. And then once the deck gets built underneath, it's just going to be a lovely place to be able to sit, especially in the spring and fall, where you kind of want to be outside, but it's getting cooler or hotter. So I'm thrilled with it. I really like the striped fabric. I was going to put a plain navy blue, but the stripes look great.
Yeah.
And the guys did a great job of installing it in one day. So it's
Excellent. Yeah, it matches the house perfectly. Yeah. Thank you kindly.
You're welcome.
What we call a game changer. Absolute beautiful installation here of a new patio covering, retractable. And how is this going to change things? I'm here with the homeowner. How is this going to change things out here?
Just providing us such intense shade that we've long needed, long overdue. Provide some pool shade and just overall backyard cozy feel. It's a real positive addition to our yard.
Excellent. Thank you kindly.